Hey there, Jackie asked me to make a video on how we can have a standalone Turnitin.com class. That means it's not one that is bridged to our Canvas. I have this for my discussions and also for EF projects. So I'm just going to show you how to do it. So assuming you know how to sign up for a Turnitin.com account, that would be a different video. I'm going to assume that you can get to your home page. I'm viewing my home page, which is all my classes. So these first 4 classes are ones that are currently right now bridged to Canvas. These are my other classes, my standalone classes that I have, and I am going to add a class. So I'm just going to click over here, add a class. And hopefully it will do it. Okay. I'm putting it as a standard class. I'm going to name the class. I can name it anything I want. So I can name it 1942B US history. And that way I'll be ready and have this class already made for next semester. My enrollment key would be kind of like a password. I am putting in a password there, and I just will select that it is, let's find it, history, and this age group is, my age group is usually 16 to 17 years old. You can add age groups, you can add subjects, you could do whatever you want. And then you put a class end date. So I'm going to put that this class end date is June 29th. I'm just picking a date. So I'm going to click submit. And now it has come up with a class ID, which I'm going to copy. And I meant to have my key be ABC123, but I guess I clicked the wrong thing, but it doesn't matter because this is right now a fake class. And I am going to click continue. And so now I will have a new class, and it's actually this one. I know it's this one because I can see that key right there. So now I will go into this class, and there is nothing in here. So I'm going to click add assignment. And my first one will be discussion. I'm just going to put discussion board number 3, and I'm not going to put anything in here for point value because I'm not going to grade it through Turnitin.com. I only use this as a plagiarism check. So I'm just going to put that they can start on today, and that the due date, let's say, is going to be the 27th of October. And I always want you always want this to be 2 weeks later. So I will put November 10th. And then post date just means I can start grading them on Turnitin.com, but since I'm not using Turnitin.com to grade, that really doesn't matter. So then I'm going to hit submit. Then there's one more thing you need to do, and that is let your students know your the course ID and the password or the key, the classroom key. So I have that in my, I'm going to go to a course here, and I'm going to just show you where I put that. And so I'm in my course, and I have Turnitin.com course ID in my About This Course folder. And it tells them that this is our secondary course, and this is for things, and you could write whatever you want in there just like you do on any Canvas. So I hope this helps, and it was not too wordy. Bye-bye.